Yes, you can. And in today's video, I'll be showing you around my $1,000 condo here in Bangkok, Thailand. So let's get started. Alright, welcome to Ixtai Pahathai, the condo where we'll be staying at for the next 7 weeks. As I already said before, in this video I'm going to be showing you around everything this condo and $1,000 approximately has to offer you in Bangkok. So first, the condo, it's actually still pretty new. That's something you will also see throughout this video. And besides that, we're located in Siam area. So that's in the middle of the Bangkok center, and it's really the shopping area. So we're surrounded by different kinds of shopping malls. I think within a 20-minute walk you'll already reach Palladium, Platinum Fashion Mall, Central World. So that's something that we're really loving at the moment, because with the shopping malls also comes a lot of food options, and just yeah, it's just a nice vibe being such a busy piece of the city. Yeah, the building offers many different amenities, like this communal area where you can just sit, work, chill on this nice relaxing couch. But we also have a library, game options like a PlayStation 5, work options, a co-living kitchen, a cinema, and of course a pool and gym area. So first I'm going to be showing you everything here on the ground floor and the first floor. And after that I'm going to be taking you to the room and of course to the end, to the infinity pool, because the view is just amazing. So yeah, let's get started for real on this room tour, and let's show you around. Welcome to the garden library, one of the other amenities here located on the ground floor, what makes it perfect accessible for you to reach if you just want to do some work, relax, or even read, of course, here in the library. What I really love about this place is that it's a little green, it's just easy to access, it's open 24 hours a day, so that's great for some late night work. Of course, it's also perfect to read, it has a nice couch to chill, relax, and it's also easy to come here with any electronics like your laptop or iPad, as it also have some charging docks. So yeah, the garden library is definitely one of my favorite places here. And yeah, now it's time to head over to a space that you're going to need to relax. We have some massage tools, we have some gaming, and yeah, I'm going to take you there. Has actually a few hidden secrets, as we're in a garden right now. This garden is in the shadow and specifically focused on children. Of course, you can also just hang around on beanbags or in the like artistic houses, and I think it's just really nice that you inside the apartment building has places like this where you can just relax and enjoy a bit of the fresh air without going outside and leaving the apartment. After showing you most of the amenities, it's time to go to one of the best. So this is something that makes the value of the condos just go way up. I couldn't imagine having this in the Netherlands. It probably would be there, but not for my price range. So here we are at the super living room. Let me tell you, the most amazing thing about this super living room is not even the living room itself, but most definitely the view. So in the living room you can chill or play some football or play a game of billiards. With a room like this in the condo building, you could even say that you wouldn't even need to leave your apartment. Of course that's not true because Bangkok has so many other different things to offer. So subscribe if you want to see more videos about Bangkok, street food, shopping, cultural experience, then definitely subscribe. And now let's go further with the room tour or the condo tour here of Otexpertise. We are now in the Sky Kitchen, another communal area, a kitchen that is free to use for all residents here. So I thought let's head back to the beginning of this video and let's talk about the price of staying here at Otexpertise. So we're paying around $1,000 and I thought let's head back to what that price gives you besides all the amazing views, room, pool, cinema, kitchen, communal areas. So it's important to say that within the price there is electricity, water and Wi-Fi included, so we don't pay that separately, and that the price is a bit higher because we're renting through Airbnb is mostly used for short-term rentals or vacation rentals, and we're here for 7 weeks, so that's still on the short term. But because we're renting through a platform like Airbnb, there also comes some additional cost and just other higher costs than normal. So that's why the price is a bit higher. Would rent for a year. Up next, the thing you've been waiting for, our condo. We're on the 32nd floor in room 242. So let's head inside and show you around. You come inside into the kitchen right away. And this is our kitchen. We have a big refrigerator with a freezer. We also have a microwave, so that's great. And then over here we have a small cabinet that we're currently using for our shoes. With that you also come right away in the bathroom. The bathroom is clean and simple. We have the sink, toilet, lots of storage room, so that's great. Even also in here, so yeah, we can fit everything we need. And then on this side we have the shower. So yeah, from the kitchen we have 2 glass doors. The first one brings you into the living room, small but cozy. We have a TV, we have Wi-Fi, we have a couch, and this is my personal space to work from. I think it's quite spacious, and what's so great about this apartment is that we have another room with the glass. And over here you have our bedroom with our bed and also another place to work, so that's awesome. And I think the most amazing thing about our condo is of course the view. So yeah, it's quite fantastic to wake up to this every morning and fall asleep at this with all the twinkling lights. And the last thing in the condo is that we have our own washing machine. Makes it easy for us to do our own wash and to keep it stored away so it's not in our sight. So yeah, that's our condo so far. And with that, it's time to go to what you all been waiting for, the infinity pool. So let's get in the elevator to floor 41. So what do you think? Is the pool amazing or is it? We've been really loving mostly going in the morning after a good gym session to hitting the pool. The building actually has multiple pools here on the 41st floor, but also some on the building B where we're staying at the 32nd floor. So this is the main pool, but the other is almost just as big, so it's quite the same. But here your highest, so I thought I will show you this one just for the views alone. The pool has just a big open swimming area, but also different jacuzzis, aqua bikes, sunbeds, everything that you need to enjoy a good afternoon here at the pool. And with that and these amazing view for me in the background, it's time to come to the end of this video. So I hope you have a clear vision of what around $1,000 can get you here in Bangkok for short-term rental. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more of Bangkok or any other places that we're going to visit in the future. And then I hope to see you next time. Bye!